strengthening central Tibetan administration and Tibetan democracy. Now, if you were to entrust me with the responsibility of Sikyong, what I would do: 1, ours is a democracy that has been bequeathed by His Holiness the Great 14th Dalai Lama with a top-down approach, with great sagacity, guided by his long-term vision. Due to His Holiness' profound fondness for the democratic system of governance and a strong resolve for realizing its implementation, the Tibetans of the 3 provinces have been united in solidarity. Therefore, it is the key responsibility of the Kasha to ensure standard democratic polity. B, the rule of law is the existential essence of democracy. As and when it is seen that any provision of any law, as well as rules and regulations of the Central Tibetan administration, including the provisions of the charters of Tibetans in exile, are out of sync with the ground reality or with the wishes of the Tibetan public, the Kasha will present draft parliamentary proposals for carrying out such amendments thereof as would be in conformity with the principles of equality and fairness. C, the Kasha will uphold the dignity and respect the other 2 pillars of democracy. In the spirit of check and balance, we will extend all cooperation to all the 3 autonomous bodies. D, we will not only respond to the public opinion or queries on time, but also encourage the media without any fear of retribution to publish and to discuss and analyze failures or lapses of the executive. Over and above that, the spokesperson will be entrusted with the responsibility to clarify the executive position or opinion whenever necessary. We will strive to make the 4th pillar of democracy independent and effective. E, the Kasha will open opportunities for the civil servants of the Central Tibetan administration, both at the center and in the regional offices, as well as leaders elected at the local levels for optimum use of their knowledge and experience. We will provide the required resources for them to fulfill their responsibilities. F, for effective functioning of grassroots institutions, along with the settlement welfare officer, we will encourage the heads of the cooperative society, allopathic and Tibetan medical hospitals and schools to take part and respond to the local Tibetan assemblies. We will consult with the Tibetan parliament and make an effort to set up local Tibetan assemblies in places where no such assemblies exist at present. G, regardless of their political positions, informal meetings will be held with non-governmental bodies to discuss on cooperative effort. H, anyone having an interest in the conflict of Tibet will be provided information on the organizational structure and function of the Central Tibetan administration, both in person and or virtually. I, one of the main reasons why controversies and troubles have risen in the Tibetan society, just like any other society, has been the absence of holistic knowledge about issues, which gives way to the development of doubts and preconceptions. All undertakings of the executive will be totally transparent and committed to truth and justice. We will make every attempt to create a harmonious environment with cooperative effort.